You've chosen to rip up the old tile and replace it with brand new hardwood floors. What a great choice. But now you have to decide on what color stain you're going to choose. So I want to share with you a few tips that I've learned going through my project. But first, click on the bell to subscribe to my YouTube channel for real estate tips and design ideas. I'm Caroline Gow in the Baird & Warner Glenbrook office. The first thing you're going to do is we can put some samples on the floor to see what it's going to look like. When selecting your colors, first you're going to have an old section removed, and then you can have a blank slate to test out the colors. The trend is for a lighter floor, but I wanted to do something in the middle. So here he's created a sample for me and divided up, and this is what it looked like before. So I have, this is with no stain and just a plain varnish. And then this is with classic gray. And then I had warm gray, and this is a 50-50. So I wanted a little bit of a custom color. I didn't want it too dark, and I didn't want it to look like there was no stain at all. So we went with this 50-50 custom blend. The next thing you have to decide is whether you're doing an oil-based or a water-based polyurethane top. Now, the oil-based is less money and the water-based is slightly more because you're actually doing 3 layers of labor. But the pro advantage to doing the water-based is that it is more durable for pets and activities, and you don't have that chemical smell lingering for months. For more design tips, subscribe to my channel. I'd love to connect with you, and if you need any help buying or selling or just want some ideas on your current project, let's connect.